Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the 6.5 feet Christmas tree that I think it could be really good if you kind of like don't have like one of those like big Christmas trees like the 7.5 or 8 foot 5, but also you don't like those tiny ones because I think though the 5 feet or the 3 feet or something like that, those are not kind of like super big, but I do like these ones that are like 6.5. I think like 6 feet and 6 foot could be really good as well. This one comes with 900 branches, and we're gonna take a closer look in a few seconds. And also, we're gonna come back at night so you can see the 500 LED lights because this one is a pre-lit Christmas tree. I have to say that the assembly process is not bad at all. It comes like with three pieces: number one, number two, and number three, and an X-shaped base that is actually pretty firm and not flimsy at all. You can see that this one is not moving too much. But we're gonna connect it at night. In the meantime, let's take a closer look. This one right here are like hard plastic, not like the usual ones. These are like a little bit more resistant and hard plastic, and it comes with some kind of like fake snow a little bit, so that's actually kind of cool. And this is the middle section that comes with a little bit more of this fake snow, and you're gonna open it up and get it probably set it up in like 15-20 minutes, no more than that. But now let me actually put up the cable, connect it to the power source, and then come back at night so you can see how nice and cozy this one is. So you can see how cozy this one is with this kind of like warm yellow light. Let me show you something. Right here where the plug is, it comes with a button. So with this one, you can actually change the modes. So let's go with the first one. You can see the changes with the colors. You have another one with many other colors. You have the ones kind of like with more vibrant and vivid colors. And then you're going to get kind of like in the territory of cycling colors and changing. Like I do like this one. I think this is one of the prettiest one. And then you have this one with like kind of like dancing or kind of like flashing mode, and then this one as well, and this other one that kind of like mixed it together with this one. You can see that this one is also another super beautiful. As you can see, I like this tree. It is super cozy, super easy to put together, and also it has many light modes with all this plenty of branches and also plenty of lights. I do like it with decoration and kind of like ribbons and maybe some ornaments and all of that. It's gonna be a beautiful one. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.